Now we will learn about Gandhian method. Satyagraha is a combination of two Sanskrit words. Satya means truth and agraha means eagerness. So what does the word Satyagraha means? Truth and eagerness. Satyagraha is based on the twin principle of truth and non-violence. Please remember it. So what is the Gandhian methods of Satyagraha is? It basically based on two principles known as truth and non-violence. Truth and non-violence. A Satyagrahi was one who firmly believed in truth and non-violence and who would resist evil at all cost. So what do you mean by a Satyagrahi? A person who follow the principle of truth and non-violence. We should always say truth and we should not use violence. That means use of sword, arms in order to fight against our enemy, and with the help of truth and non-violence we can finally resist the evil practices which were taking in our India at any cost. A Satyagrahi was peaceful, fearless and strong. So who was a Satyagrahi? A Satyagrahi is a person who is very you can say fearless. He or she is ready to fight against the enemy at any cost, and he or she is very strong. He or she would hate evil but not the evil doer. He or she will hate the evil practice but will not support the evil doer, or he will not actually the one who will practice the evil thing or evil practices in our India. In the fight for justice and truth, the Satyagrahi would willingly accept suffering and be ready to make sacrifice. So, in order to fight for justice, that is, happiness or truth, a Satyagrahi is a person will be ready to sacrifice his or her life, and he or she will be ready to suffer any suffering or any you can say any violence in order to get independence, or in order to follow the path of truth and non-violence. The suffering and patience of a Satyagrahi was expected to bring about a change of heart in the enemy. So with the help of suffering and patience of a Satyagrahi, we can finally change the heart of the enemy, that is British rule. The idea behind Satyagraha was not to destroy the enemy but to transform and enlighten them. So what does the idea behind a Satyagraha was? It does not mean that we will destroy our enemy, we will just transform them from a negative aspect to a positive aspect. Gandhiji insisted on non-violent method of struggle. So Gandhiji insisted on a non-violent method so that we can fight against with the help of boycott, strike, marches, and we should not follow the path of violence, that means use of armed weapons, sword in the war. He believed that the non-violence was the weapon of the strong and could be effectively used to resist armed attack by the enemy. So Gandhiji believed that the path of non-violence is a measure in which the people are, and is the measure which is very strong, and anybody who follow the path of non-violence can effectively overthrow the people who are using the violent method. A Satyagrahi was expected to follow peaceful method even under extreme provocation. A Satyagrahi was expected to follow the peaceful method even at the harsh or extreme situation. Non-violent method of struggle in India consisted of non-cooperation with the British government. So non-violent method of a struggle in India was consisted of non-cooperation. That means we will not at all cooperate with the British rule. These methods are peaceful demonstration. We will do peaceful you can say meeting. We will aware the people about the British motives. Second, defiance of unjust British law. We will not accept the British law. We will not practice the British law. Third, boycott of British goods, institution and services. We will boycott the goods which were made by the Britishers and the institution and services which were offered by the Britishers. Fourth, the use of the charkha and khadi to promote self-reliance and the Swadeshi spirit. So in order to support the Swadeshi spirit of Indian people, the use of charkha and khadi, so that we can finally promote our Indian culture. And the last is non-payment of the oppressive taxes. And the last method of the non-cooperation movement was that we will not pay any taxes to the government or the British government. The idea was to bring the government to a standstill. So what does the idea of a non-cooperation movement was? It was that we will not cooperate with the British rule, and finally by using the non-cooperation movement, and we can finally overthrow the British rule from our country. And here you can see in this picture Gandhiji is spinning the charkha, and he is promoting the you can say Indian culture and Swadeshi spirit.